Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano man ang meron. Okay, so again, don't forget, bago tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light, and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, yung atin pong mga items, don't forget, meron tayong protection from evil eye. We have rings, bracelets, at yung adjustable, ito yung garterize. Yung adjustable is available in red strings, and ito yung merong initial. Okay, initial po na magmamayari. And yung ating evil eye necklace, this is protection from evil eye po ha. This is unisex, same as this. Okay, so unisex. Ito, for girls only. For females. So, wala tayong pang male na ring. So, meron naman tayong ibang option. Okay? So, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Yung atin namang love bracelet connection. So, okay, connections like situationship, kung ano man ang meron sa inyong love situation. So, pwede sa iyo to. So, ipoprovide nito yung dapat, aalisin nito yung hindi dapat. Okay, ganun lang po. Pasimple. Huwag nating pahirapin, ha? Okay. Yung atin namang granter necklace. So, si granter necklace is taga-grant ng mga minamanifest, tagapagbigay rin siya ng mga surprises kung hindi pa ready. Okay, yung minamanifest mo. Kasi mamaya baka yung frequency mo baba, tapos yung minamanifest mo napakataas. Hindi pwede yun. Okay, real talk lang. Doon tayo sa totoo. Ha? Ano tayo? 'Di ba? Ano yun? Magic? No, so kung ready naman na at ka-level mo rin naman na yung mga minamanifest, bakit ka pa paghihintayin ni granter? No? And surprises, open din sa surprises tong si granter natin. Mahilig siya magbigay ng surprises actually. Huwag tayong magfo-focus lang sa ating mga minamanifest, ha? Okay? So, kung may mga nadating sa inyo, kahit mga simpleng bagay. So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. This is unisex by the way, and made to order. Okay? And syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting is pagkakat po, kinakat natin yung mga unwanted na, yung mga hindi na kailangan na mga energies na talaga nakakapit pa sa'yo, na talaga namang madalas galing pa sa past, no? Mga ganyang energy. So, anyway. So, that's it. Kung meron pang ibang mga tanong, message na lang po. Okay? So, let's start the reading. Kumusta kayo, mga air signs? Saan kayo ngayon? Comment down below. Comment down below. Saan kayo magbabakasyon? Saan ang inyong lakad? So, kayo ay mag-iingat. So, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua, what's for you? Air signs. 9 of Wands. And the 2 of Cups in reverse. Somebody is avoiding a connection here. Or you have to avoid a connection from my past person, I think. The King of Cups is here. Some of you are still in love with your ex. Some of you. The 3 of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, may chance na talagang expecting pa rin ng communication with a past person. Pero, ang nakikita ko dito, kailangan talagang ikat mo na muna and focus on new things. Focus on new energies. Okay? Kasi yung past mo medyo dark. Medyo negative pa. So, pwede maka-apekto sa'yo if ever. Okay? Meron akong nakikitang i-reject na offer sa workplace. Pwedeng may magdaramdam dito kasi i-reject yung gusto. I don't know kung ano yun. Merong hindi papayagan. Oh my gosh. Leave. Vacation leave. Oh my. What else? Lovers in reversed. 8 of Wands. Some of you makakuha ng closure message. Yeah. A closure message. Mula sa nangyaring separation. Mula sa person mo. Okay? I mean, mula sa ex. Kasi wala eh. Pass na to. So, yeah. A closure message. Yeah. A closure message. So, ito na yon. Last na to. Ganto ganyan. Whatsoever. Okay? So, may malulumbay. Some of you, ikaw ito. Ikaw itong magbibigay sa isang person ng closure message or last message. Somebody is praying here para sa isang connection or para magkaroon ng kakonect. What else? The 7 of Cups. The 2 of Pentacles in the reversed. May nakukuha akong energy dito, something about kanino ako sasama. Sa family ko ba or sa karelasyon ko? Merong malilito dito. Merong malilito. Kanino ba ako sasama? May nakukuha akong energy about schedules na mag-overlap. Yeah. Queen of Pentacles, 2 of Wands. The Devil in reverse, the Ace of Pentacles. Hindi naman pwedeng hatiin mo lang yung katawan mo para mapunta ka dun sa dalawang sitwasyon, no? Yeah, the Emperor. Decide. Pumili ka. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Dapat paninindigan mo rin. Dapat may maganda kang rason. Just be the Emperor. Okay? Be the Emperor. Yeah. Ang hirap nito. Oo. So, siguro, dumisisyon ka ng maganda-ganda. Or pumlano ka ng maganda-ganda para makasama mo silang pareho. Diba? I don't know. Kahit ako nalito. Okay. So, may ganyan. So, wag na nga sumama. Wag na nga. Oh, hindi na ako aalis. Wala na akong sasamahan. Ganyang bagay. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's for you? Fire signs. Fire signs. What's for you? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong mensahe? Prediction, gabay for you? The Chariot in reversed. The 9 of Cups. Some of you makaka-move on ka na sa isang water sign. The Star. See? Makaka-move on ka na. Or maybe there's this water sign moving on from you. Meron ditong dating hindi mo napuntahan na pwedeng mapupuntahan mo na. This is like a wish fulfillment, if ever, na mangyari. Okay? I'm seeing here a surprise for you. Yeah. Some of you, mas pipiliin mong sa bahay ka lang. And not to travel. Parang ganyan. Parang, yeah. Mas gusto kong mag-relax na lang sa bahay. Like that. 7 of Wands. The Hanged Man. Ano to? The Lovers. Not connecting. Oo, parang naririnig ko, not connecting in general. I'm not connecting. Parang ganyan. There's this blockages pagdating sa love. There's this, yeah, in general, may blockages when it comes to connection. There's this delay. Some of you, there's a date na pwedeng ma-delay or ma-reschedule, or connection na parang hindi pa rin totally open. Pag-iisipan. Meron dito nag-iisip na sagutin or hindi. Parang may ganyan. Are you trying to avoid somebody? Page of Cups. Somebody. Meron dito nagkaka-crush. And yes, dinideny nila yun. What else for fire signs? The Knight of Cups. The Five of Pentacles. Parang meron ako nakuha energy dito na parang hahanap-hanapin mo siya. Kasi pwedeng hindi na siya totally like nagiging consistent. Okay? Bakit ganon? Bakit hindi na sila nagiging consistent? Anong dahilan? Justice in reversed. Some of them pwedeng ayaw na. Tapos nandyan yung parang hahabol-habulin mo na kasi parang hindi na nga naging consistent. Hahanap-hanapin mo na yung energy. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Some of them, they're just playing. Not consistent, or sabihin natin not sincere. If ever. I'm seeing here diba? I'm seeing here chances are pwedeng merong mga third parties. Okay? Kaya hindi tumutugma ang sitwasyon. Parang may ganyan. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, wag nyo nang habulin to kung sino man to. Okay, they're a player. Wag mo nang habulin. Wag kang tawag dyan, manghinayang. Okay? So there. Next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. May narinig ako, baby. Baby. Water signs, what's for you in general? Mensahe, gabay, prediction. The Star in reversed. Unhealed connection. Yeah, the King of Cups. Somebody is like feeling hopeless pagdating sa isang connection, and this is a strong connection. Why? Why feeling hopeless? The Ten of Pentacles is somebody may family na, and you feel like wala nang pag-asa to kasi may pamilya siya or may pamilya ako. Yeah, Strength in reversed. Bahala na kung anong mangyari. So, hahayaan ko na lang to. Yeah. Kung sino man yun, nasa ganong situation, feeling hopeless yung person mo. Okay, yeah, they still love you. They're being impatient. They're impatient. So, that's why parang sila nagiging hopeless sa situation, if ever. So, what else for you, water signs? Eight of Wands in reverse. In general, this is delays, pendings, blockages, death in reversed. Some of you are avoiding na mag-move forward, na mag-heal. Yeah, the Hangman, you're still maybe holding on to something or onto someone. Strength in the reversed. This is too draining if ever. Okay, sinasabi dito kung ikaw is totally holding on sa isang sitwasyon o tao, nakaka-drain to. Kasi parang nauubos yung energy mo, kakahintay, kaka-expect if ever. Yeah. Oh, the Three of Swords. Ayoko kasing manghinayang, ayoko kasing ganito, i-drop na lang to, whatsoever. Nandito na nga yung word, sabihin nating wala na. Parang nasasayang na lang. Parang nagsasayang ka pa, times 10. Parang ganon. Okay? Imbis na mag-focus ka na sa ibang bagay. Nangihinayang sa ganito, baka kasi sakali, mga ganyan. Well, wala kang hinihintay kung sakali man. Okay? Yun ang kailangan mong malaman. Hindi yan makakabuti sa'yo. Sa sitwasyon mo, sa'yo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, kung ano man. What else for water signs? Judgment. It's time for you to take action. Yeah, the Tower. Kahit sabihin nating mahirap to, masakit to, kung ano man yan, kailangan mo nang gawa ng decision. Yeah, the King of Swords. Just be ready and sabihin nating be strong. Okay? Just be strong. Kung ano man yan. I think sa umpisa lang. Yeah. The Nine of Swords in reverse. The Three of Swords. Sa umpisa lang yung sakit. Yeah. Eventually, the Nine of Swords is here in reverse. Hindi mo na masyadong alalahanin pa. Kung sakali man. Kung ano man to, may mga sitwasyon, connection, na kailangan ng mawala, kailangan ng matapos, or a decision na kailangan mo nang gawin para masabi nating magkaroon ng peace of mind, magkaroon na ng kalinawan, magkaroon na ng kasagutan kung sakali. Okay? So there. Even though some of us pwedeng makapagdulot ng pain sa mga magiging sagot natin, pero yeah, hindi naman dapat tayo pwedeng sumagot ng hindi dapat or ng gusto lang marinig ng tao para lang maibsan or para lang hindi makapanakit, no? Parang ang pangit nun. Yeah, anyway. So next, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, thank you sa mga nagla-like. Yeah, saan kayo ngayon, mga earth signs? Saan ang balak ninyong puntahan? Saan kayo vacation, iba sa atin, 'di ba? Some of us talaga nasa bahay lang, no. Nagninilay-nilay yung iba. Anyway, so what's for you? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, the Hierophant, that's commitment, leveling up. Some of you, Two of Cups. I'm seeing here marriage. Okay, leveling up connection, maybe relationship, I think. This is relationship. Yeah. Para meron na dito ikakasal. Meron ng plano. Yeah, open. Being open. Some of you. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Takot pa pagdating dito, pero nakakuha ko yung energy about stepping up or maybe stepping out. Or yeah, pagdating sa comfort zone mo. I'm saying here in general, there's this offer of commitments pagdating sa stability mo. Okay, and this is like talking about long term. So what else for earth signs? May nag-flip ba? The Ace of Cups in reverse. Oh, why? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Oh no, the Three of Swords. Anong meron dito? Nako po, ang daming 3. So I have here 3 for you, earth signs. Three of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Cups, Three of Swords. This is energy of third party connection na talaga naman nagsusumigaw. Anong meron dito sa Ace of Cups in reverse? So, hindi na nagkakaroon ng magandang kooperasyon. Wala nang magandang sitwasyon sa ngayon. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Swords. So, sinasabi rito na parang, okay, kailangan na ng pahinga dito. At lumayo. Dito. Okay, sa Three of Swords. Yeah, drop it. Drop it like it's hot. No? Oo, kailangan ng pahinga dito. Kailangan ng pahinga. Or kailangan na ng itigil. Kailangan ng break. Yeah, the Tower. Meron din ditong sitwasyon na parang yung separation is napoprolong na lang. Kasi, yun nga, parang gumagawa ng paraan para hindi mag-end itong situation na to. Even though sabihin natin parang kailangan naman na talaga na i-end. What else? The Knight of Pentacles. Some of you pwedeng makaka-apekto sa pamemera mo. Okay? Hindi ka kasi makapag-isip ng ayos kung sakaling nasa sitwasyon kang magulo. Okay? The Six of Wands. The Six of Cups. Okay. Mayroon ako narinig dito. Nice and steady. Okay. I mean, slow and steady wins the race, I think. Slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, Strength in reverse. Like, winning silently. Like, yeah. Parang ganun. Temperance. Slow and steady wins the race. Hot pot. Yeah, hot pot. I mean, watch pot never boils. Patience. Kailangan, hindi kailangan ng parang pilitin kung ano man. Like, ay, dapat pala ganun. Gayahin natin para tayo kumita rin ng ganun whatsoever. This is talking about money. Okay? So, dapat gayahin natin yung ganito, ganyan. No. No. May sarili-sarili tayong mga phase. Okay? So, kung anong sayo, yun ang iyo. Kung kailangan mo talagang pagtiyagaan, kung anong dapat pagtiyagaan, gawin mo. Parang slow and steady wins the race. Parang ganun. Hindi kailangan madaliin. Hindi kailangan makipagkumpetensya. Parang ganun eh. Okay? Yeah. The Sun. Patungo rin sa paganda, actually. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yeah, sa mga pwedeng mag-support, thank you. And sa mga magsusupport pa, salamat. Goodbye!